Hello, beautiful beings. It is March, which means it is Women's History Month. And today we are honoring the divine feminine energy through a Latin bachata fusion dance. The song is by Ariana Grande, a Grammy winning multi platinum recording artist and an international superstar.
Yeah. Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and my strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. Yeah. Stop watching. My neck is flossy. Make big deposits. My gloss is chocolate. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just drop it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got 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 it. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just drop it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Wearing no ring, but ain't gon' be no misses.
But first, let me give a big shout out to Mesquite's Art Center for having me as your dance instructor for Women's History Month. My name is Jennifer, and I can't wait to share with you. Ladies, come on, let's get up and let's get grooving and moving. See you on the dance floor. All right, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a full 8 count in place. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to bring our right foot behind and we just roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, we're going to walk forward, starting with our right leg. So we go 1, 2, 3, together. After we come together, we're going to bend our knees. So when we bend our knees, we're going to bring our neck back. So we go 1, neck goes back, shift your weight, 2, and then around, 3, here, and hip. Yes? After that, we're going to bring our hands here, and we're going to step with our left foot. We go 1, 2, we step 3, 4. After that, we're going to go here, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we leave with a tap here. After that, we're going to bring our left leg back. So we go 1. Hands are going to go to the right. We go 1 and then 2. Hands are going to go to the left. After that, we're going to bring our left foot out. We go left foot out and then switch out. After that, we're going to bring our right foot and we're going to go pas de bourrée. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap. After we tap, we're going to shift our weight and we're going to bring our left foot out and my hip is going to come. After we tap, we're going to shift our weight and we're going to bring our left foot out and my hip is going to come to the right. So 1, 2. Now notice that I stepped out. My hip stepped out here. So again, we go 1, 2, 3, tap. So just the feet here. We go 1, 2, 3, tap. Now with the arms are going 1, 2, we bring them here, crossing inwards, 3, and then we do a tap. So we end up on the right leg. 1, 2, 3, tap. Yes? After that, we're going to step out with our right. When we tap, that's the foot we step with next. So we go 1, 2, 3, same thing, opposite direction, 4, tap. Yes? After that, we're going to shift our weight and we're going to take a step with our left foot. So when we do that, we're going to bring our hand here. Here. 1, ba, ba. Now you see how I shift my weight? It's a little bit of a skip. 1 and 2. Then row 3, and we kick 4, pas de deux, right? And then we tap here. Again, we go 1, 2, kick, 1, 2, 3, and tap. So we step here, we land it on the tap, and then we bring our arms, 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, tap. When we tap here, we're facing forward, and what we're going to do is we're going to bring our leg here. We go 1, 2. So notice I step on the back. 1, 2, 3, tap. So my arms are coming side to side on that part, okay? Side to side. Now, if anything, I would just practice on my feet first. Once you get your feet, then you can add the arms. So you can rewind and come back to it and get everything and put it together, okay? So again, we're gonna step, we just did here, boom, 1, 2, 3, tap, and we're gonna bring that tap, remember that foot that we tapped on, we step with it again. 1, 2, 3, tap. Yes? After we tap, we're going to bring our right foot, remember that foot, we step again, tap. We're gonna go around, 1. So I'm kind of putting my hand like on my wrist. We go 1, yes, and it kind of goes around. So it's my right arm, 1, and then I bring it under my left, and then hit. So I'm hitting here. So it's a little bit of a sharp hit. 1, and hit. Now we're gonna do a basic bachata step with that. So remember we just did 1, 2, 3, tap. We step here, we're going basic bachata. We step 1, 2, 3, tap. So that tap is when we do the sharp hit right here. Again, we just did 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. Then we're going to do a bachata step in place. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap. So that's a bachata step in place. What we're going to do, and that's the left, right? We just did tap. So we tapped on this foot, this leg. So we start 1 on this leg. 1, 2, 3, tap. Now with the arms, we just did tap. And what we're going to do with the arms is we're going to come out here, around here. So I'm going across my chest, I roll my wrists, and then I come back here, and I kind of stop. That's going to be at the tap. So again, we go boom, and then we do the basic and adding everything together. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap. Again, so we just did here, 1, 2, 3, tap. In place bachata step, we go 1, 2, 3, tap. Now after here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift my weight. I'm on my right, my weight is on my left. So my tap is on my right. So I'm going to shift my weight to my right. Now notice I have my left knee up here. So my weight is on my right. And I'm going to step with my left. So I step, as I'm stepping out and I'm bringing my shoulder in. My right shoulder is going in. 1, and then I step with my right. 2, and I'm going to body row. So my neck, chest, and then belly, hips. 1, 2, 3, and tap. So there's an and then tap. Okay? So again, we just did the arms here. We did in place. 1, 2, 3, tap, shift my weight. 1, 2, body roll and tap. There's a tap. So we add the hip. We push down with our knees and then we bring the leg up, tap. So we're here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to step and put our weight out to the right. We go 1, 2, 3, tap. So I'm shifting my weight over. 1, 2, 3, tap. Again, shifting my weight over, and now I'm going to add the arms. So what I'm going to do with the arms, I'm going to bring my elbow up, my elbow comes up, and I bring it over. So my elbow is drawing across my face. Here, here, boom, ba. Yes? So I did my tap, I'm stepping. Remember, body roll and tap. I step with my right, bringing my weight over. 1, 2, 3, tap. So now I'm on my left. Next step is we're going to do a little bit of a skip. So I skip, boom, ba. See that? Tap. A little skip is going to be 1. So it's and 1. So it's quick. And 1. So it's quick. It's a little bit of a shift. You bend your knees. Boom, ba. Level change. I came back up. That's 1. I'm going to step right foot, 2, and then I'm going to come here, 3, left foot here, and now my body is facing at this angle, and then I'm going to turn here and tap. Let's do that a little faster. And again, remember that you can go back and rewind, practice the feet first, and then add the arms, okay? Our arms first, we go 1, 2, it comes around. So my arm goes left over, right, 1, 2. So it kind of goes across right behind my arm, and then my left hand in front slides here. So we skip, we go 1, coming out, 2, 3, stepping on the left, we go right, and that is our tap. And then we bring in our arms around again, stepping after when we just tap, we step 1, 2. So again, we're doing the same thing with the arms, except this time my right arm is over my left, and I come around, and then left hand goes over my head, and then the right crosses. So it's the opposite side. Same thing, but opposite side, because we're facing the other direction. So the first one is here, and then we do our tap. So again, we go 1, 2, 3, tap, and tap here. Again, after we tap, we're going over. 1, stepping left, 2, coming back, 3, and then turn, tap. So 3, and then down, that's your tap, going to the left, basic. 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. Shift your weight going forward. 2, 3, tap, back. 1, 2, 3, forward. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3. We're going to step right and left and out. So when we do our box step, we step with our left foot, the outside foot. So we just came from basic. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Body roll. 1, 2, 3, tap. I shift my weight. Box step. Left, right, and then right, right, left. Outside step. So outside foot. 1, 2, 3, tap. Now with the hands are going to come with the left leg. We go out. We're going to go 1, 2. So my arms comes up. 1, 2. And then I'm going to go over. 3, 4. And then back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So box step again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the quick step. 7 and 8. And then we're done. So let's pull everything together. Here we go. Starting from the beginning. Remember, we are standing in place for the first 8 count. 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go together. Going back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hand comes here. We step 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2. And then going back. 1, 2. To the side. Left goes out. Switch your step. So here, right? So we're going back again. Sorry. We go 1, 2. Out. Arm goes opposite direction. And switch. We go pas de bourrée. Boom, ba, da. Other side. We go 1, 2. Around and tap. Left, right side. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Then we do our body shift. Remember, arm goes here. 1 and 2. Boom. Da-da. 1, 2, 3. Arm comes out. 1 and 2. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. And tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1. And bachata here. Tap. Basic. 2, 3. Body roll. 1, 2, 3. Shift your weight. Go. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. It's fast. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. And here we boom. And we're finished. Alrighty, girls.
Yeah. Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage.